Hey guys, what is up? And today we're back with a brand new video. Now today we're going to be discussing the iPhone SE on iOS 13. Now my last video I talked about how iOS 13 broke my iPhone SE. So I decided to downgrade to iOS 12.3.1 and then stay there until beta 2 comes out. However, I've decided to update again, as you guys can see here. Because we can actually expect to possibly see iOS 13 developer beta 2 tomorrow. So I just decided to, update to beta 1, and then tomorrow, if beta 2 comes out, then just update then. So I just wanted to update you guys really quick, and I will be having a review on iOS 13 beta 2. So my iPad, I actually had iOS 13 developer beta 1 or iPadOS. That's going to take some time getting used to. But I actually bent the iPad and I had to bring it to Apple. I got it replaced and it looks as if that iPad is now on iOS 12.1.4. So I decided not to update to 13. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for an iOS 12.1.4 jailbreak to release, and I will definitely jailbreak. And then in the fall, when iPadOS 13 releases, I'll be updating the full release. So that's what I've decided to do, and I just want to update you guys on what's going on. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this quick little update. I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember to like, subscribe. Let's see if we can get to 50 subscribers by the end of the month. That would be awesome. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.